Well, here it is. The Losi Monster Truck XL. I just got this about 2 weeks ago. I've been waiting for various parts and upgrades and whatnot. I didn't want to run it until I installed my kill switch. And since I did that last night, which was a total pain in the ass, and honestly, there aren't too many videos out there explaining how to do it. I mean, there's some rough videos, but nothing that gets into too much detail. So that's why I want to make this video to kind of give you guys kind of a heads up if you try to take on this, because it became more of a challenge than I expected. I ended up having to basically take out the motor just to get the heat shield off and to properly install the kill switch. So I'm gonna try to explain what I did to help you guys that want to install these kill switches, because this is a pretty expensive car or truck, and not sure you want to run it into a brick wall or something. So here we go. Here's the new, this is a Killer RC kill switch. Let me get the part number. You get it at killerrc.com. I think with shipping and everything, it was like 65, 67 bucks, something like that. So, there's the little switch, and there's actually a positive and a negative attachment point where I'll give you an idea. This is the old one I took out, and it has these positive and negative attachment points that attach to the engine block, which actually kills the current and stops it. So with this new Killer RC switch, they give you the new switch, and there's this, I don't know if you can see it, this wire that is this harness wire that you have to attach. And it gives you a little, well, it's an optional, but you get the little red indicator, and it also comes with a speaker. So I just threw it all in there in that box, drilled a little hole for the light. Let me give you a quick demonstration. I got the Futaba 4PV. Okay. Well, first you have to power it on. Then you power your truck on. And the light is green. That means the kill switch is active. And then I hooked it to my channel 3 switch right here on the handle, and if I engage the switch, it'll turn the kill switch off. and it'll alarm and start blinking, telling you that the switch is off. And if I press the button again, it'll re-engage the switch. We got the green indicator light again. Also, if your truck or your controller loses power, and I'll demonstrate that by hitting the power switch. It also trips the kill switch. So, like I said, I just got the truck. Wanted to put the kill switch on before I even tried to run it. Hasn't even been gassed up or anything, so I'm gonna, as you can see, I have the stock muffler that came with it. I have that detached. I have a Bartolone pipe that I got. I think I'm gonna try to ceramic coat it myself. Just basically using the VHT ceramic coating spray paint. We'll see how that goes. I don't really want to spend too much having it professionally done. I think this will do the trick. We'll see how that goes. All right. I hope this is a little bit informative. I didn't really want to take the cover off because the wires are so messy and whatnot. But if you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thank you.